Once again, this is our second batch. Second batch for 3 years old boys category. Again, this is our qualifying rounds, guys. And apat lang yung mapapasok sa ating semifinal. Alright? So, nangunguna dito si 466, 368, 358, 374. Yeah. Go, run, run, run! Again, no parents allowed inside the racetrack po. Iwasan po natin pumasok sa loob ng racetrack dahil meron tayong deduction of points at wala rin pong harang dito sa ating finish line. Again, no parents allowed inside the racetrack.
Sikat! Sikat! Sikat to!
Inside the racetrack, a gentle reminder po. We would like to thank our major sponsors for today's event: Kick to Pedal, Dominant Philippines, Ubix Concept, JD Graphica, Rockfish Philippines. So they have here an display here.